In the world of luxury, there is a saying, true perfection is not when there is nothing more to add, but when there is nothing left to take away. For a decade, the Leica Q series has been the embodiment of that philosophy. It is the camera that shouldn't work on paper, a fixed lens, expensive, minimalist tool in an era of zoom lenses and computational AI. Yet, it became the most successful product in Leica's 100-year history. But as we sit here in 2026, the air has changed. The Leica Q3, as brilliant as it was, is no longer the undisputed king of the streets. The competition is closing in, and the tech inside has finally hit a ceiling. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But something is happening behind the closed doors of Wetzlar, Germany. Rumors from the inner circle of the L-Mount Alliance suggest that Leica is preparing to break their own rules. We are talking about the Leica Q4. This isn't just a Mark II style update. According to secret patent filings and leaked manufacturing schedules for 2026, the Q4 is set to introduce a technology that Leica purists have feared for years, and others have prayed for. We're diving into the rumored 61-megapixel stacked sensor, the shock move to an internal ND filter system, and the Blackstone financial report that suggests Leica is under massive pressure to make the Q4 their most revolutionary camera ever. If you've been saving for a Q3, or if you're wondering if the Q series has finally peaked, you need to hear this. Because the Leica Q4 isn't just a camera, it's a gamble on the future of photography itself. Let's talk about the sensor scandal. For the last 2 years, the 60-megapixel BSI sensor in the Q3 was the gold standard. But in 2026, resolution isn't the problem, speed is. The biggest leak surrounding the Q4 involves a move to a stacked CMOS architecture. For the non-techies, this means the sensor has its own dedicated memory layer. This allows for a readout speed so fast that rolling shutter distortion becomes a thing of the past. Imagine capturing a high-speed car in the streets of New York or a bird in mid-flight with a 28mm lens and having zero distortion. But here is where the Leica look gets a modern upgrade. There are whispers of a triple-resolution tech that goes beyond what we saw in the M11. We're talking about a sensor that can natively switch between 61, 36, and 18 megapixels using the full sensor area, but with a new quantum noise reduction layer. This would make the Q4 the most capable low-light compact camera ever built. But there's a catch. Some insiders suggest that to achieve this, Leica had to change the microlens array on the sensor, which might alter the way the legendary 28mm Summilux lens renders bokeh. Is Leica sacrificing soul for specs? The community is already divided, and the camera hasn't even been announced yet. Now, let's address the one feature that every Leica photographer has been begging for since 2015, the built-in ND filter. In the USA, where street photographers often find themselves shooting in the harsh midday sun of LA or Miami, being forced to screw on a physical filter to shoot at f/1.7 is a pain. Leaked schematics for the Q4 show a new, electronic variable ND system integrated directly into the lens housing. This is a game changer. It would allow you to keep that creamy f/1.7 look even in blinding